good photo should always try and tell a story, and one of the ways you can do that is to incorporate some sort of personal element in it. Something that tells the story of the day that you took the picture. Could be the location, could be the activity, could be some part even of yourself. So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of different approaches to include a personal element and tell a story with your photos. If I'm on a nice walk like I am today and I've had a sandwich or brewed up a coffee, then why not include that in the picture? What it does is it tells more of a story. I clearly stopped for lunch, I had a drink, I had a bite to eat. It gives it a human element and something also for people to engage with when you post it. It makes it more of a fun picture and also handy for filling out those nice blank areas of blue sky. Nothing says you're at a location more than taking a selfie, right? But it doesn't always have to be of your face. Want to include another part of your body in the shot. Here I'm using my feet, in particular my walking boots, to give the story a bit of context. I've walked to this beach because they're hiking boots, maybe I put in a bit more effort. So I've got some foreground interest in the shot, but it's more personal because it's my shoes. I'm balancing the camera on my knee here to keep it nice and steady, and I'm just waiting for some nice looking waves to come in from the sea to give it a bit of action.